Hello guys, it's me La Filipina again. Today we will unbox a gift from our supporter. So this is from Lazada. So let's see what's inside. So I'm really happy because I get this for free, and I really appreciate our supporter because I cannot really buy this since I don't have work for now, so I'm still finding work. So this one is really amazing, having a gift from someone. It's like, it's so heart touching that someone gives support to you even though he or she is not your, you know, relative or what. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift. So are you ready guys to open this? Okay, let's start now. Thanks. Oh, I got this one. So this is a Techno Camon 40 Pro 5G phone case. So it is designed by XUNDD. So look at that guys. So you see, it's very important that we have our case for our cell phone so that when we, you know, when we suddenly feel it, so it's safe. Okay. So it is, let's see, Shockproof. So it's from China. So it's like a $5 for this case. So thank you so much. And they also have this. Wow, it's a free gift, I think. I don't know what's this, but they put this one. Don't know how to use this one. What's this? Do you know how to use this, guys? Oh my god. Look. And it is like a rubber. I don't know. Because it's my first time to have this one. It's like a rubber. It's like a small mouse pad. But I don't know really what's this. So I cannot also read the label because it's written in Chinese. So is any one of you guys know how to use this one? Just comment below. So for this one, let's open it and let's try to hold it. Let's try. So it's really sealed, so it is sure that it's real and it's new. Hold on guys, I need to open it. Okay, just like this. So the cover is so nice, the case is safe, and also it is protected by a plastic cover at the back part so that there's no scratches. Okay, I think it's nice. Look at that guys. So thank you so much for the support and for this gift. I really appreciate you. I hope that more blessings will come into your life. So bye guys, and thank you for watching this video. I hope that you keep on coming and tune in guys for my next video, because this time I will upload a lot. Okay, thank you and I love you all.